Not crazy. You're crazy.
Oh my god.
I've never stuttered so hard.
Did I shooketh scream hard?
You're lucky my child's asleep.
I'm trying to place units for you.
Bro, she just called you out. You don't
I
finish.
placed units for
Yeah.
you two while I got this motherfucking catfish.
It's hard when you make the other
Suck it.
fingers faster.
Suck on my catfish.
Suck this catfish.
Just suck this catfish.
Suck on my catfish.
Thank you for the stretch.
Oh yeah, I need a stretch too. Oh, that
I
sounds
just-
good.
I just
Stretch,
cracked
daddy.
my back.
Stretch me, daddy.
Bet.
Is this 1 a.m.? Wait, what? Oh, it's 1 a.m. here, so you're gonna hit the pillow? Alright, proceed. Thank you for the ride,
yeah.
my dude, and I hope you have
You
a good
give
night's
that-
sleep.
Give that pillow some head for me.
Oh yeah. Hey Lou.
Oh my gosh.
Macaroni.
You have made this choice
Oh, wait,
on
wait,
your
wait.
own.
Pretty much
Wait.
productive pasta.
We all live with our-
Rigatone it, baby. You can rigatone me, baby. Let's go.
Have it. Or corkscrew.
Would you like a side of sauce with that?
Damn.
Oh, darling noodles.
Alfredo.
I have no idea what's going on anymore. I'm very sorry, guys, if you're watching this random content.
You can panini me.
Any day.
The language is beautiful, isn't it? Hell yeah, boy. So beautiful.
When you know how to speak them nudes.
You know how to speak nudie to me.
Talk
Oh
nudie to
my
me.
god, that's amazing.
Talk nudie to me.
Oh no.